I am making mushrooms with finger chilies, garlic, basil, thyme. Finger chilies, garlic, basil, thyme, oregano. Those are the ingredients. To finish it off, you're going to use some balsamic glaze. Serve on fresh or toasted bread with butter and enjoy it. You can have it cold or warm. I have also made a delicious little wrap. You can have it on toasted bread, say butter, anything you like, but I've also made a nice little wrap. Enjoy. My idea is for a nice olive oil as well. Obviously, your finger chilies, your garlic, your basil, your thyme, your oregano, obviously all fresh, nice fresh. Lovely olive oil. Lovely olive oil. Also going to be adding these ingredients I was telling you about to streaky pork. You can add it to chicken, you can add it to anything when cooking and just enjoy it. Make it your own, have wraps, pita bread, whatever you want to do with it, or just make a meal of it and have it with rice, chips, however it comes. Just enjoy. Just remember, these little finger chilies, don't underestimate them. They are very powerful, very hot. Do not use too many. And definitely, kids, this is not for you. Unless you use a milder chili or something. But enjoy it. I like hot food, so I've made it hot. And wow, it's wonderful. But just don't make the mistake of making it too hot. With that, have a blessed day.